It's time for some opening day chaos. Let's go, Joy! You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at Walibi Holland for the opening day of Joy. Now, I know it's spelt YOY, we might make that mistake a few times, but apparently even the Dutch hate the name, so YOY, Joy, we're here. This is going to be our first ever single rail, isn't it? We've never done a single rail RMC before. I think RMC Raptor's the official term. It counts as 2 creds, I'd say, because you got YOY Thrill and you got YOY Chill, haven't you? So anyway, let's dive in. They've got a really weird opening day, guys. Apparently YOY opens, or Joy opens at 2. You have guaranteed tickets. We've got 2 for thrill and 1 for chill, so hopefully we can get those rides in. But apparently it's got a really low capacity, and if it opens at 2 and the park shuts at 6, I'm really not sure how it's all going to work. So let's dive in. Opening day chaos, we love it. At Efteling yesterday, and it was boiling hot, so I opted for shorts, which was a mistake because it's freezing up here. We didn't even go too far north, did we? It was a complete change. Jacob just saying there, you don't like the logo for YOY there, no? I just think it looks very Walibi. It's not the best logo in the world, but that's sort of what this park is. We always call this park Fort Park in the Netherlands, don't we? So, you know, obviously we do really enjoy it. Oh, it looks like something's happening. We've got some movement. Okay, and there we go, guys. Walibi Holland is now back open. So we were just chatting to some locals, guys, and it is confirmed that Joy is opening at 2 o'clock. I'm really not sure why they've done that. It is a very strange thing to do. We've done a lot of opening days and we've never experienced this. It's usually just a free-for-all. So I guess we're running straight to Untamed. I think that's where everyone else is going. Everyone's running.
Start with the puns.
What, an enjoyable day?
Yeah.
We haven't been here for a while, guys. The last time we were here was not last Halloween, the Halloween before that. I do mention every single time we do a Walibi Holland vlog that they have probably the best Halloween event out there. It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, busy though.
With Joy opening strangely at 2 o'clock, guys, we're heading straight over to Untamed. A little fact for you, there's 3 Rocky Mountain Construction RMC roller coasters in Europe, and Joy opening today will be the 4th and the 5th. So they're just testing it at the moment, guys. It's got the water dummies on it. They're just letting the water out. Hopefully Untamed doesn't open at 2 o'clock as well. I've never seen so much excitement for Untamed.
I mean, it is good.
It is very good. It looks like we're going to be pretty much first riders of the year. Oh, maybe the second train. Hey, first train of the season. We haven't done this for a while. So first train of the season on Untamed there, guys. That was pretty cool. It was very lively, but it's really running slow, isn't it?
That was very slow.
Very slow. The last RMC we were on was Iron Gwazi. That was flying. That was quite a difference there. So we were going to go straight back on it, but after the ride, we think we're going to leave it a little bit, don't we? Yeah. So we're actually going to go over to Goliath, because I really enjoy Goliath. Okay, it looks like the entrance to Goliath shut, because it must be next to YOY, or Joy, sorry. We've got some actors here.
Hello.
Hiya there.
Hope you're for Joy.
We're excited.
Yeah, are you excited? Are you going to go for blue or green?
We're going to try and go for both.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. I'm really excited to hear what you think of it.
Brilliant, thank you.
Around 2, you can come in.
Round 2?
Around 2.
Awesome, thank you very much. Okay, with Goliath being closed then, we're going to go for the kiddie cred here. It's called Eat My Dust. Jacob wants to go on it because you haven't got the cred, have you? No, so see if it's any good. Just trying to figure out the manufacturer, guys. Looks a bit like a Vekoma family coaster, doesn't it? I think we're at the back. Which way does it come in? This way, yeah. Let's go to the back. Station weight. Maybe 2 people on it. Nothing to rave about there. It was okay, wasn't it? Yeah. Some kiddie coasters you get a little bit of an intense bit, but that was pretty meh. Really it's quite smooth though, to be fair.
The brakes are the most forceful part of it.
Oh, Jacob, I needed the toilet at the perfect time. Ah, what a time to go to the toilet. So it looks like Condor's closed as well. It says late open there. I'm not sure if that's because of Joy. We're on the other side, aren't we? So it looks like we've got Express Platform 13, I think it's called. Or you've got the Boomerang. The Boomerang's quite good. I can't remember what it's. Speed of Sound, that's the one. And of course Lost Gravity. Definitely no rapids or log flumes today. It's quite cold. Looks like we've got all the actors here. Okay, Lost Gravity, here we go. What do you reckon? Do you like Lost Gravity?
Yeah, it's alright.
Bit of a rattler sometimes, isn't it? I think this is the only roller coaster where me and Jacob don't argue over who sits on the wing, because the wing is very rough. I think me and Jacob sleep on Lost Gravity a bit. That was actually really good. It's running better than Untamed yesterday, isn't it? I had the wing there though. It was a little bit rattly. The only thing I don't... Oh, yours was smooth, you're saying, sitting in the middle there. The only thing we were saying we don't really like about it is just that little corner there. It's so drawn out and it's just a really bad dead spot, isn't it? The sound there, guys, Vekoma Boomerang. It's probably the best one that isn't inverted. Our favourite one so far is at Movie Park or Movie Land in Italy. The onboard audio wasn't working, unfortunately, so that ruined the experience a little bit, didn't it? But it was still fun. Also, guys, I just want to add, if you're feeling brave, wear Efteling merch to Walibi Holland, because I'm getting bullied. It is hilarious, isn't it? They keep coming up and going So we just noticed in the window, guys, they've got the Joy merch here. Doesn't look too great, to be honest. You know, you kind of want the logo, don't you, really?
I mean, that's the best t-shirt.
The white one there, yeah. I mean, you know, you want the white t-shirt and then you want the logo as it is for the ride, do you know what I mean? But obviously the shop by the actual ride will probably have better merch. I think so, anyway.
Untamed has terrible merch, though.
So we were just going to go to Express there, guys. That's closed. Condor's closed. Goliath's closed. So yeah, I'm not too sure what we're going to do now. We've done what we want to do, other than Joy, really. So Joy, sorry. It's a shame they're opening it late. It's really weird. I've never seen a theme park do that before, as we say. I think we're just going to get some food, guys. Maybe get another go on Untamed. Obviously, you're here to see Joy, so I'll catch up with you in a moment. Okay, guys, we're back. Untamed's running a lot better now. We didn't get food, we got a drink, but we come over just to have a look. It looks like they've opened it. I think it's only about 1 o'clock, isn't it? So yeah, a bit of poor planning there, but everyone's going, so I think it's time, guys. Okay, so it's actually 1:45, so it's an hour and 15 minutes until Joy opens there. Goliath's now open, so I thought we might as well jump here. I don't think everybody knows that this is open yet. I do love Goliath. You think G-Force is better? Yeah. Actually, I probably agree, but that is very good. I quite enjoyed that. So as we were going up, guys, we got an awesome view of Joy there. They've got the press event on at the moment, so that's why it's opening later today. A bit confusing because they had a pre-opening yesterday, so I'm not sure why they didn't just do the press event then and obviously have it open to the public from the start of the day. So anyway, the queue's not too big at the moment. I'm really not sure what to do now. We can either wait or we can jump in. I'm not too sure. What do you want to do? No. Might as well wait for it. Okay, so it's an hour till Joy opens. I'm going to leave Jacob there and go and grab some food. Okay, so we were waiting, guys. Nobody come over, unfortunately, and told us that this queue's not for the tickets here. This is the public queue. Ours is at 2:45 for our ticket there, and what they're going to do is they're going to let the pre-booked tickets in over there, but because the park's sold out, this queue here will only move when that one stops. If it stops is the question, so it's all gone a bit wrong. Okay, here we go. So it looks like they let some of the public queue through there. Here we go, guys. Joy for the first time coming around the corner. Obviously, looking at it, there's a lot of landscaping that's going to need to be done over time, and I'm not too sure what they can do with it, really. They can't really do trees, but that looks pretty cool. There we go. We've got the Walibi mascot there. And we've never done a single rail, have we? No. It's not an opening day without some running. Go on, Jacob! Hey, so here we go, guys. Got the thrill and the chill there. I think we'll start with chill. We've got 2 thrill on pre-book, haven't we? So yeah. I think we'll start with chill. Okay, apparently no tickets. You had to go in the middle there. You can't choose your side. Okay, our first ticket's at 2:45. Obviously, it's now about 2:10, so we're joining the public queue first. Oh, very cool, very cool. A very weird opening day, very disorganized, but hey, here we go. That's a pretty cool station. Alright, so chill with the blue, I'm guessing, is like fish. Hey, right comparisons, there we go. And we got the oh wait, so we're starting with thrill, are we? Yeah. Okay, so we got the sort of bushes and trees there, and as I say, chill, fish and jellyfish. Didn't think we'd be starting with Thrill, fair play. Our first ever single rail, this is exciting! Hey! Oh, someone's thrown up already. Okay, so first thoughts, we were on Thrill there, what do you reckon?
It's good.
What do you like about it?
There's some really good elements, good inversions.
There was one element that I really loved on it, but I can't quite see it or name what it was because I've never actually looked at the layout of a single rail RMC before. I'm not too keen on the way you sit.
Yeah.
We've never done a single rail before, guys, so yeah, you sort of sit like that, and it's just a really weird thing on a roller coaster. I've never seen it before. You think chill's going to be better, don't you?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so we got 2 pre-booked for Thrill. We got lucky there and got on Thrill, and then we've got 1 for chill. So looks like we might get on Thrill 3 times today. I'll be able to name that element by the end of this. But yeah, it's really cool, guys. Obviously, I can't explain the theming. I'm not really too sure what it is. Maybe like ice versus nature or something. It's Jewel the other side or something. But yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so the public queue's closed off there, guys, because it's too full at the moment. So we have to wait for our pre-book, which isn't bad. Now it's kind of organised. It wasn't at the beginning because nobody really knew what was going on. It was a bit chaotic there. So I've just walked around, guys, and asked different staff members if anybody can explain the story or theme for the ride, and none of the staff have a clue. So they said the best I got from one person was he said it's special because it's a single rail RMC, and that's it. So there isn't really, it's more stylised than anything, isn't it? So don't try and figure it out, guys, you'll hurt your brain. Anyway, what's this here? I mean, what? Sorry guys, I know you're here for Joy, but we're just really confused by this, aren't we? Look, you can do it this time. Wait, ready? Ooh. 10 out of 10 beaming, 10 out of 10. I'm dying here, guys. Wait, that's not really what you want to see on a toilet. Chill or Thrill? I mean, you can have a nice chill poo, but I don't know what Thrill would be. We wondered why there was a lot of empty seats, but we've just realised that single rider, they're using it as the public queue, aren't they, in the fast lane? So, hey, there we go. Oh, okay, so because they're sending empty trains on chill, they've just allowed me and Jacob to go straight in without scanning our barcode. So, hey, another bonus ride. So yeah, they got some flowers, guys. The whole area will look a lot better when it's grass has grown in and all of that. On chill side now, got some fishies there. I guess no one wants to do chill. Empty train, another one. Really strange. You think chill looks better, don't you? I guess we're about to find out. It looks like they've got a different soundtrack for each side. I can't confirm that yet though, guys. We need to do Thrill again. Jacob, just noticing in this room they got the aircon right up, haven't they, for chill? Okay, so we've just been on chill. What do you reckon?
It's very close.
Very close. It is very difficult to judge this, guys. Chill had a little bit more of a rattle and it was more intense, I found there, did you? More airtime on it. The first half of chill was absolutely brilliant. I love that. I love bouncing into the drop. It does die towards the end, unfortunately. Thrill did have a bit of a rattle, but you didn't notice it too much and it was a bit of a vibration. So I think I'm going to choose Thrill at the moment. Yeah. You're still undecided. Anyway, we've still got more pre-books, so I guess we'll be back. Unless they're actually letting people in, because whilst we were in the queue there, they actually sent out an empty train on Thrill, so they haven't organised it very well, have they? Well, that was a bit of luck. We come straight off it, and now it's time for our pre-book, so we're about to go straight back into Thrill. This. You're enjoying it, you mean? Yes. There he goes. Forgot to actually say there, Jacob got the front. What did you reckon of the front?
I enjoyed it.
On a single rail, is it cool?
Yeah.
Fair enough. We got a deal though, the next good seat that comes up's mine. Oh, that's noisy Goliath. Noisy Goliath there. So I just asked a member of staff, guys, because I noticed one of the best things about this coaster is actually the lift hill. It's not like your standard dueling coasters. There's like some sort of algorithm where they sort of battle each other, don't they? Yeah. So one side will start going faster, the other side will start going slower. And there's loads of speakers in the middle, which is a really missed opportunity for them to play some battle music. Obviously that time there is absolutely no duel there because there is only one train. So I'm not too sure what's happening there right now. Oh, there you go. Hopefully I can show you now. Okay, so watch how this lift hill works, guys. So Thrill was sent empty again, I don't know why, but as you can see it's sort of caught up there. But it doesn't overtake, it doesn't sink at the same time. Now Chill's going faster, so they sort of battle each other. It's really cool, isn't it? I like that. So I got a back row on Thrill that time, guys. I still have no doubt in my mind that Thrill is better than Chill. You're undecided, aren't you?
Yeah. I think Thrill might be slightly better.
Thrill's slightly better. Chill has better airtime on the first half, but then it just dies, and Chill rattles a lot more, unfortunately. So
a better engine with the hot log roll there.
Yeah. Yeah, so on Thrill, guys, my favourite bit is this bit here. I don't really know what to call it. Jacob says it's a cutback, so it sort of goes to invert but doesn't, and I think that's the best part of this coaster. Well, these coasters. Okay, I'm not going to mention about the tickets anymore, guys. I'm really confused. They've let us go straight back to Chill without using the tickets, so a really, really strangely organised opening day, and I'm not going to mention it anymore. So this is number 3 ride now?
Yeah.
Our 3rd ride? Oh, 4th ride, yeah. So we've done Thrill twice, this is the 2nd time on Chill. Okay, I've just figured out what they're doing now, guys. They've now changed it so that the single rider queue is for tickets and the public are going to go into the other queues to stop empty trains. So at least there's some quick organisation there. Okay, it's so hard to analyse, guys. What did you say?
I think Thrill's better now.
Yeah, Jacob thinks Thrill's better now. But that time I actually had a really good ride on Chill. So the beginning is better on Chill, the drop's better. If Chill kept up momentum, it would definitely beat Thrill, but it sort of loses it halfway through, and Thrill keeps going, as Jacob says there. And I still absolutely love that element. I think we've pretty much got that now. So we've had 2 goes on each side. We did the front on Chill. That's worth mentioning as well. Chill's better towards the back, isn't it? It doesn't rattle as much. We keep getting near the back on Thrill, so we can't analyse that yet, but we're getting there. Yeah. So they've also got a new little restaurant here, guys, next to Joy. Not too sure what they're serving there. It looks like some sort of pie. But yeah, I don't think we're going to be getting anything, unfortunately. That's quite a big queue. Do you know what, to be fair, that's a longer queue to get food than it is to get on the roller coaster. Okay, so it's getting a bit busy now. We've had 2 rides each side, so I think we're good for the 2nd. Sorry guys, just got to test something quickly. Yeah, Untamed is still definitely the best in the park, isn't it?
I've got so much airtime.
Joy doesn't come close. That really warmed up as well, didn't it? I think it's time for some chicken. Chicken. Oh no, me and Jacob were too busy eating chicken. We didn't realise that our time slot's now, so we might have missed it.
Yeah.
Little yogurt drink there. We thought it was a fruit drink, but it's like kind of like Actimel. Not bad, is it?
Nice.
And back we come. Oh. Oh, they let us on. So I just managed to get the front of Chill. Those things are so much fun at the front, aren't they? I'm not sure if it's warmed up or if it was just because I was sitting at the front, but Chill was a lot better that time. As for the rest of the park, guys, it's completely dead. This is awesome. Wow, even Untamed just walk on. What is going on? Hey, Untamed at the front, let's go. Here we go, last ride on Thrill, and then that's 3 on each side, isn't it? Crazy. Don't usually get that on an opening day. Oh, last ride there, me and Jacob had to rock, paper, scissors. It was the only fair way, and he beat me. He got the front of Thrill.
That's so good.
So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. Our final thoughts. What do you reckon of Joy?
That was really good.
Really good day, absolutely brilliant coaster. I didn't see a lot of people from the UK, so I think it's been slept on, really, hasn't it?
I enjoyed it.
Enjoyed with the jokes there, funny one. Right, so our final analysis on it, guys. Thrill side is definitely better. We think both of them are smoother towards the back, but if you do get the front seat, you're okay. If you're at any other seat other than the front towards the front, then it's got a little bit of a rattle, hasn't it? It is absolutely brilliant, guys, but unfortunately, as we do say that, it doesn't beat Untamed. Untamed was great today, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It really did start warming up towards the end of the day. We got a couple of extra re-rides there because it was just a station wait. So if you haven't been before, guys, this theme park is a bit of a tricky one to get to. If you are going to drive from the UK, which is how we've got here, the best thing to do is tie in a trip to Efteling and then maybe tie in a trip to Plopsaland on the way back, or Toverland, or you got Walibi Belgium like we're going to do tomorrow. You got Bobby Yanland, and that brings us to the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's Yoy's opening day, Joy's opening day, and if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget hitting that subscribe button. Really helps me out, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed the video, guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and don't worry, it's not the end, there's more videos here.